Welcome back. Now, Warrior Plus offers multiple ways to offer coupons and discounts to your customers. So in order to look at them, you need to go to your vendor menu and then the coupons tab. Then what you'll need to do is click the new coupon button. You'll need to generate a code or write one in. But the most important part is determining the coupon type. If you pull the drop-down menu, you're going to see three different kinds of coupons. You can do a dollar amount coupon, you can do a percentage off coupon, or you can do a new price coupon. And basically, the new price coupon means that when an individual clicks a particular link, they're going to be given a specific price on the product they are buying. Now, when you determine that you're going to do a new price coupon, you're not giving a discounted amount off, you're determining what the new price is. So you're going to write in what the price will be in this coupon value box. Now, if you choose to use one of the other two coupons, discount or discount percentage, you'll need to write that amount in accordingly in the coupon value. You're going to give your coupons a specific date. Now, this can be optional because if your coupon is just going to be ongoing and lasting forever, you don't have to do anything where there's a date limitation. You can determine that there's a scarce number of coupons available, and you can determine that automatically inside of Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus will allow you to limit your coupon to a specific offer, will allow you to limit the effect of a coupon on a specific product, and then you can assign a coupon to a specific buyer or to a specific affiliate. So for example, if you're going to allow an affiliate to promote after your launch is over, you can assign that affiliate a specific price to the product, and only the people that click on their link will be able to get it. If you want to give a coupon to a specific buyer, maybe after the fact, you can assign that coupon to a specific buyer so that only they can use it through their link. You can then use the max uses category and set this to 1 if you're going to give it to a specific individual. So once you've created the parameters for your coupon, you'll need to then click Save Coupon and it will be ready for use. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.